In this video, I'm going to show you how to braid. So to start off, I have 12 strands of yarn and I'm going to do an overhand knot. And so I'm going to take an extra string of a different color and I'm going to tie it underneath this knot, and then I'm going to tie it to the stand. Okay, and so now I'm going to separate this into 4 equal sections of 3. So there are many ways to braid, but this is how I do it. So I split them up into equal sections, or as equal as I could get them. So we got, in this, we have 3 of each, so I got 12. So I'm going to take these 2 middle ones, and then I'm going to think of this as more like a form, and like it has like a shape. So you take those middle 2, and they cross. And then so each time 2 are going to cross in between each other in the middle. And then so they just alternate and go back and forth. So each time they're going to cross the same way. And so like the way I was taught was different, and I didn't learn how to do it that way, and I just had to like learn how to do this myself. So I do it a lot different than how I was taught. But I'm going to untangle. Okay, so this pattern or this braid is a little complicated, but one thing that helped me is that someone said if you think of it like north, south, east, and west. So your north and south are going to cross. So to me, these 2 middle ones were the north and south, and then so you got the east and west. And then so the east and west are going to cross in between the north and the south. And then so it just goes back and forth. So the north and south cross in between the east and the west. And then so you just like those 2 are like pairs, I guess. And so they're going to cross the same way each time. And so this is how I braid, but there's lots of different ways. And we just made it this far, but I guess I'll just keep going. So, so we got east and west, and then north and south, and then east and west, and north and south. So these are getting tangled again, but that's basically how you do it. So basically that's how you do it. You just cross your threads, crisscross them, and they cross the same way each time. And then you'll tie it off just the same as you do your other projects.